Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this will be the part one for the video where I had shared with you guys these really fun, cute mini projects. You get to make 6 of these projects out of one piece of 12 by 12 paper. So I will put the video to the projects down below for you if you want to have a look. And this will be part one with the tutorials of some of these projects first, because I won't be able to do the tutorial for all of them in the one video. So I'll see how many I can do in this video, and then I'll do another part with the other projects. But I'll just quickly show you again the projects. So with the one piece of 12 by 12 paper, you'll be able to make this cute little flip book with a pocket. And then there is also this pocket heart shape that we fold to where you can put some fun goodies in there. This adorable cute little gift box. So that's the third project. This here is a treat box as well. It's got a little closure there and a little flap. A library style pocket where you can use this as a loader pocket to put all your fun goodies in there. And this really fun, I really love this. This is just so cute. It's a little mini album with pages and pockets. It's just adorable. So we'll also do this tutorial, but we're going to firstly start with, let's start with the easy ones first. So we're going to do the library pocket first. So you just grab your selected 12 by 12 paper, preferably try and use a double-sided paper, that way you get to see both patterns on your projects. And then what you want to do is you just want to cut your paper at 6 inches. So you want to cut that in half at 6 inches, and then cut your paper to 4 inches for each piece. So you want to cut your papers at 4 inches by 6 inches, and you'll be able to get 6 pieces out of that one piece. So we're going to start with one piece first, and this one is pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. It's just simply folding your paper in half. And what's great about this little pocket, you can add heaps of goodies in it. I'm just going to quickly show you before I do it. So this is your little pocket flip book, which I'm also going to show you in this video. I mean, you can slide that in there like that and just place that in there. I've also got a few other goodies just to show you how much you can fit in there. So I've got here an embellishment, and that can just go in there like that. I've got here some package tags, and that can also just fit in there like that. What else we got here? I've got some little post-it tabs, and that can also go in there nicely as well. So you can have that like that, and look how cute that is, and you can have fun embellishing it as well. So you can fit quite a few things in there. So let's go ahead and we'll make this pocket quickly. So all you've got to do is just decide what side you want the front of your pocket to show, and you're just simply going to fold it over, and you just want to fold it to whatever depth you want your pocket to be. So my pocket depth is 2 1/4 inches. So you can just fold it and press down, but I like to use my scoreboard because I like to have a neat finish for my fold. So I'm just going to score mine at 2 1/4 inches, just like that, and then I can just fold that over. I don't have my bone folder, so I'm just going to press that. Now you can, at this point, before we adhere the pocket, you can use a thumb notch and punch out a thumb notch with your circle punch here if you like. And all we're going to do now is just put some good strong glue just to the side of the front part of the pocket, onto the side here, just like that, up to that fold line, and then the same to this side over here. And just bringing it over and then just pressing that down. I mean, and if you want to, you can add some washi tape to the sides here to keep your pocket nice and secure so it won't come apart. But that's really all there is to that. That's just for your little library pocket. I then just punched a hole here to place some little charm dangles just to decorate that. So you can decorate this however you like. Add some trim, add some washi tape, and that pocket's done. So that was pretty easy. So now what we're going to do next, we'll make this little flip book with a pocket on the top here. And I'm just going to show you the two ways where you can have your pocket, because you can either have your pocket on the top or you can have it here on the side. So let's go and make this one now. So you grab your next piece of 4x6 paper from your piece that you've cut out from your 12x12. And what we're going to do here, you don't even need to use a scoreboard. Actually, we won't use a scoreboard. No, I will. No, I won't. Sorry. I know some of you don't have a scoreboard, so I try to make projects where you don't need it. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to fold that in half, one way. And then we're going to fold it over the other way as well. And really press down on your fold lines. That way you have your book can open and close nicely. And then what we want to do here, we just want to make a cut here along the left side of that score line, just up to the middle. And you can use your paper trimmer if you want to make an easier straight cut. And okay, so that's all there is to that. So you'll have these two here. And now what we're going to do here at this point, you can decide if you want a top pocket or a side pocket. So what we do is we're just going to bring this up like that. And this here is your top pocket. So if you want the side pocket here, you are going to glue along here and then along here. And then when you bring it up over, that part will get sealed and that part will get sealed, and you'll have your side pocket. But we're going to do the top pocket for this one. So what we do with the top pocket, we're going to put glue along here and glue along the edge over here. You can use double-sided tape if you like. So I'm just going to run the glue on the inside of this fold line, just up to there, and then also just along here on the edge. Also with this one, you can also add a thumb notch here as well before you adhere it, if you like to have a little notch here if you want. Alright, so then we're just going to bring this up and just press down where we applied the glue. And what you'll get is you'll have that pocket up here. Once your glue is set, you'll have your top pocket just up there, and there's that fold line. And now to create the page, you're just going to bring this side over and folding that down. And then this one here, you can also have this part coming in the front. So you'll have this part as your opening, or you can have this going back that way and have this side as your front. Then you'll have your pocket in the middle up here, and then this part here is your last page. So you can decide if you want to do that, but I'm going to place this one this way. And that's all there is to this easy and simple flip book. Okay, so that's the second one done. I think I've got time to do one more for this video. I just think this is just so cute. It's so easy. Alright, so that one's done. Just put that there. So what we're going to do next, well, let's make this little easy fold heart pocket shape, which is this one here. I'll take these out. So we're going to make this one next. So to do that, we'll grab another piece of your 4x6 or 6x4 paper. I'll just grab another one. Alright, so this is my next piece. So to do this, you don't need a scoreboard for this, so this is another great project for you. All we're going to do here now is we're going to fold this over on the long side, folding it in half. You can see how quickly it is to make just the 3 projects in this one video without me having to do any editing. So I'm just trying to line the paper up because I'm not using the scoreboard. Alright, so that is that. Then you want to grab your scissors, and on the part where we fold here, we're going to cut around, just cutting around until you get to the other end. So we don't need that now. And then when you open it up, you'll have this sort of a shape, and that will give you that heart-shaped look. So we'll open this up now. We're going to bring this piece over, and when we bring it over, you want to bring this edge just above this point here, just a little bit above that point. So I'll just show you at the back. So you just want to be able to just see it. So I'm going to press that down. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to grab this side here, we're going to bring this over. You probably can't see my crease line. We're going to bring this over, and I like to place my fold just beside the center score line, or that fold line, so you can see here. So just bring it over just beside there, and now we're going to do that with the other side. Let's bring that over. And just lining that all up. Press that down. And then we're going to grab this little piece up here. We're going to bring that forward and bring that down as well. I'm just going to grab my bone folder, because I like to give this a nice good press. So it's easy. So we'll do that. So far you've got your pocket just about done. You've got this little bit down here. We're just going to fold that back, and then fold this one back, and we'll turn it around. We can just glue that down just to secure that little flap so it doesn't come undone. I've got this new glue bottle. It's not too bad, but it just seems to run everywhere. I just like it because it's got a nice long point, but it's just a little bit messier than my other little glue bottle. So I'm just going to press that down and hold it. You can even see it looks like a heart shape. And that's all there is to that. And that gives you your little easy fold heart pocket to add your little goodies. And you can even embellish the front here, add some word sentiments or whatever you like to the pocket. You can also punch a hole here as well and add some dangles. You can add this inside another flip book and adhere that to a page. So that's that one done. So I'm going to do another part and do the other 3 projects for you in my next video. But I hope you enjoyed this video with these 3 projects. I'm just going to bring this here so you can see them. And just to show you how easy it was to make these projects. So, okay, so we've done these 3. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.